Now students, we will do question number 6 of this exercise. The question number 6 is arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, we will arrange these numbers in smallest to largest form. So we will do in notebook. Question number 6 is this: arrange in ascending order. Question number A of question number 6. 0.101, 0.110, 0.102, 1.02, 1.021. Here are some numbers are given. We will arrange them into ascending order. So we will write the smallest number in these numbers. The smallest number in these number is, we can see that this is 0.101, this is 0.110, so this is 0.110, this is 0.102, this is 1.02, and this is 1.021. We can see that 0.10, 0.11, 0.102. So the smallest in these number is 0.101, because after point here is 1, after point here is 1, and after point here is 1. But the second number after point is, here is 0, here is 1, and here is 0. So we will compare in these numbers. So this is 0.101 and this is 0.102. So 0.101 is the smallest number. So first here we come 0.101. After this number 0.102 has come, will come. After this 0.110. Now we will compare these numbers. 1.02, this is 1.021. So after point here is 0, and after point here also is 0. But after point the second number is 2, and here also 2. But here is 0 and here is 1. So 1.02 will come. Now the last 1.021. Now question number B: 2.501, 2.5, 2.05, 2.005, and 2.051. You will do this question yourself. Now we will move question number 7. Question number 7 is find the A part of this question. 2 upon 15 plus 7 upon 15. We will add these fractions. So here we can see that the denominator of these fractions are same. So we will add only numerator. Here we can see that here the denominator are same. So we will add these denominators. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and 15 denominators. So answer is 9 upon 15. Question number B: 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Here we can see that the denominator of these fractions are different. So first we will find out the LCM of these denominators. LCM of 9 and 3 when we find out LCM, the LCM will be 9. So we will write here 9 and we will divide the by first denominator into 9. It will be 1. So we multiply 4 multiply by 1. Then we will write here this sign minus. Now the second denominator we will divide it by 9. It will be 3 times, and we multiply its numerator into 3. 1 3 is 3. So 4 1 is 4 minus 1 3 is 3 upon 9. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 9 here. 1 upon 9 is the answer. Now question number C, 9 upon 17 minus 11 upon 17 plus 8 upon 17. यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ भी डिनोमिनेटर सब में सेम है, तो बस हम ऊपर माइनस और प्लस करेंगे न्यूमरेटर का. तो हम 17 को ऐसे ही लिखेंगे बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. देन 9 माइनस 11 प्लस 8. यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं माइनस भी और प्लस भी है. सबसे पहले हम प्लस प्लस वालों को करेंगे, तो प्लस यहाँ 9 भी है और 8 भी है, तो 9 और 8 17 माइनस 11 अपॉन 17. 17 में से 11 को माइनस करेंगे, it will be 6 upon 17. The answer will be 6 upon 17. Now question number D, 52.207 plus 13.345. पॉइंट वाले नंबर्स में हमें ऐड करना है. We will write here point into separate column. Then we write 52.207 and 13.345. Now we will add 7 5 12. We will write here 2 from 12 and 1 is carry. 4 1 5. 2 and 3 5. We will write. We will put here point under these points. 2 3 5 and 5 1 6. The answer will be 65.552. Now question number E, 85.2 minus 75.37. Here we will subtract 75.37 from 85.2. We will write here in these numbers into vertical column. 85.2 minus 75.37. We will put here 0 because there is nothing number, so it will be 0. Now we will subtract. We can't subtract 7 from 0, so we will borrow from 2. It will be 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. There is left 1. We can't subtract 3 from 1, so we will borrow from 5. It will be 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. We will write here point. We can't subtract 5 from 4, so we will borrow 8. We will borrow from 8. It will be 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here it will left 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So answer will be 9.83.